What did we have released this week? ISM came out a little bit better than expected. That was good. China has an inflation report coming out on Thursday. Today, nothing, so we should have smooth movement today. No reports dropping on our heads. Always check on the reports because you never know. Your technical levels may say one thing, but if you got a report coming out, like what we had with the jobs report or manufacturing PMI, when that report came out, tanked the market. The market like was on an uptrend all the way up until 10 o'clock when that report came out. Then it just went straight to tank mode. And that's because of the report. So you want to be aware of what time the reports are coming out and what the report is and how impactful it may be. So I keep mine on the 3-bar report, so only important reports are on here. If you take this off, you'll see a whole bunch of different reports that are going on every day. But I'm only looking for the ones that are really going to move the market. If you're into researching and data diving, then looking at all the reports, which may be fun for you. I like diving into data, but not that much. Give me what's most relevant, and I'll dive into that. So PPI we got coming up on Tuesday of next week on the 13th. Core inflation rate comes out on Wednesday. Month-over-month, year-over-year rate. Retail sales for China come out next week, Wednesday. Retail sales come out for us on Thursday morning, 8:30 a.m. This is 8:30 a.m., 8:30 a.m., 10 a.m. And Friday, we got builders permits. So this week was pretty empty with reports, but next week we are pretty busy when it comes to reports from Wednesday on through the rest, well, from Tuesday through Friday. So we're going to have to keep a close eye on how these inflation rate reports come out. Everybody's keeping their eye on inflation and trying to see how that measures out and how that pans out. So that's one we want to keep an eye on. The PPI, Producer Price Index. So this demands the inflation on commodities. So you're looking at like your wood, your gold, your raw materials, essentially. How much are they costing producers to get those raw materials to make whatever products they need? So that comes out first, and then the core inflation comes out after that. PPI is important as well. That's an important gauge of inflation, so that could move the markets. So starting Tuesday morning, 8:30 a.m., I wouldn't be holding any or swinging any trades into that morning unless you are absolutely sure what the PPI is going to come out at and how it's going to move the market. I wouldn't swing anything into Tuesday morning. I would look to enter after that report based on what we see happening as the response to that.